Look at the stars. Each of them is a sun like ours, and our sun has planet Earth. Could this really be the only planet anywhere that's full of life? To find out, we must leave our own world behind. Let's travel further. Next is Jupiter. Saturn. Then Uranus, Neptune, and on. All the other planets of our solar system are barren worlds devoid of life. But beyond our solar system are the stars, and remember, each of these is another sun. 400,000 million of them, a vast swirling cloud. The Milky Way, our galaxy. Galaxy behind, you begin to realize just how vast the universe is. Because each of these is a galaxy just like ours. And these are clouds. In all this, is it really possible that the only planet with intelligent life is this one?